Welcome to Kids Virtual School.
Hi, kids. Welcome to our channel, where learning is always fun. Today, we're going to learn something super exciting. The table of 2. Are you ready to start counting and multiplying with me? Let's begin. A multiplication table helps us find answers quickly. For the table of 2, we're going to multiply 2 by different numbers, starting from 1 all the way to 10. Let's start with the first one. 2 times 1 is 2. That's because 2 multiplied by 1 stays the same, 2. Now, let's do the next one. 2 times 2 is 4. Imagine you have 2 apples, and you get 2 more apples. How many apples do you have? 4. Next is 2 times 3, which is 6. Next is 2 times 4, which is 8. Next is 2 times 5, which is 10. Next is 2 times 6, which is 12. Next is 2 times 7, which is 14. Next is 2 times 8, which is 16. Next is 2 times 9, which is 18. Next is 2 times 10, which is 20. Now let's say it together. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Practice makes perfect. Keep repeating the table of 2 every day, and soon, you'll know it by heart. You can even sing it or say it while clapping to make it fun. Wow, kids! You did an amazing job learning the table of 2 today. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a multiplication master. Don't forget to join us next time for more fun and learning. Bye-bye.